good Wednesday morning, and Brooke indoors this morning, but I bet you many folks are wanting to get outdoors. Yesterday that was sure the case. Beautiful afternoon to be out and about, and if you saw that blinding light, I want to apologize. I had to break out the shorts yesterday. That was my pale leg seeing the first light of day in months. So yeah, checking in this morning in Carbondale, and all is quiet. We do have a breeze out of the south, and of course that south breeze means it is a mild morning. Today, one more real mild day. We're expecting a cold front to arrive later on this afternoon, and out ahead of that front, there's actually a chance we could see just a couple isolated showers here this morning. I don't think today's a washout by any means, and if you've got plans to be outside today, I wouldn't be canceling them at this point, but here for the next few hours, there's a chance for a couple spotty showers. Should be out of here by lunchtime. Looking ahead to Thursday, the rain clears out, but Thursday a much cooler day. Some of that cooler air is also going to linger into Friday. The weekend, temperatures bounce back up as a very warm but very wet pattern setting up here this weekend and likely even into the early part of next week. Now this morning we are still dry right now, but notice some clouds just to our west over near, say, Rolla, Missouri, back in the Missouri Ozarks. So we could see just a couple showers develop. That's out ahead of that cold front. And look at some of these temperatures right now. Hard to believe here we're in the second half of February and morning temperatures are into the upper 40s and lower 50s. Oftentimes this time of year we may be talking about afternoon high temperatures like this, but right now we'll take it in the morning, that's for sure. To our south, Memphis is at 53. To our north, also St. Louis at 53. That cold front cutting across central Missouri right now, right down through I-70, back around Kansas City right now into the lower 40s, and then by Omaha, Nebraska, you're back in the mid 30s. So some cooler air to our north. That is what's going to move in here later on this evening. Mild weather, though, out ahead of the front this afternoon. High pressure stationed off the southeastern coast. We'll have winds out of the south and west. Now that front, once it moves through, winds will shift back out of the north and west, but it's really going to be until later on tonight before we start to see some of that cooler air begin to filter into our region. This is about 7 a.m. Notice these little spotty showers starting to show up, especially into parts of southeast Missouri and southern Illinois. They quickly skirt to the east there, and by this afternoon we're dry. Lots of clouds still into western Kentucky. To the north, though, parts of southern Illinois are likely going to start seeing some sunshine later on today. And as far as those rain chances go, again, it's not a big rain chance. About a 20% chance, mainly north of the Ohio River across much of southern Illinois, then back into southeast Missouri. Also about a 20% chance there north of Highway 60. But this afternoon, we're still talking temperatures into the upper 50s and lower 60s. 56 today into Mount Vernon with your precision forecast. McLeansboro up to about 60 degrees there. Ridgeway in Gallatin County also about 61. Vienna running up to about 61 this afternoon. Into western Kentucky, lots of lower 60s. 60 in Benton, Kentucky, 61 this afternoon. Into Mayfield and into Martin, Tennessee later on today, ranging from about 57 in Perryville to about 60 today into Sikeston and Malden, Missouri. So not a bad afternoon to be out and about, a little breezy today. Now cooler temperatures will start to arrive for Thursday and Friday, dropping afternoon highs back into the upper 40s. We'll quickly rebound though once we see that pattern shift into this weekend. Jet stream's going to dip across the western U.S. and then arc back up into our region. We call that a southwest flow, and it's a very active pattern. It's a very warm pattern, but as we make our way Saturday, Sunday, and even into Monday, multiple waves of some showers, possibly a couple of rumbles of thunder. Right now, some of the heaviest rain expected through the Tennessee Valley, but even into western Kentucky, the Missouri Boot Heel, we could see some areas that actually pick up several inches of rainfall. So still some uncertainty on exactly where that's going to occur, but we'll fine-tune that as we get a little closer. About a 20% chance of rain today, about a 20% chance as well, mainly in some of our southern counties on Friday. Saturday and Sunday, more active weather though. Temperatures closing in on 60 degrees there for the weekend. Cooling down a few degrees. Eventually a front's going to work its way through. That will help clear out some of the rain by, say, Tuesday afternoon. But look at these temperatures. I mean, quickly we see a little cool down. We drop back in the 40s. We're right back into the 50s though for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of next week. So lots of warm and mild weather there in the forecast.
Warm and mild.